So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads, one for x86 and one for x64. We're going to download both of them. So you want to click on both of them. And it's now going to start downloading. And now once they've both been downloaded, you want to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. And we should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. We're now going to install both of them one by one. I'm going to start with x64. I'm going to double click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. And then once that's been installed, we can now close out of this. And now we're going to install the other one. For me, it's going to be x86. I'm going to double click on it. Again, once this comes up, you want to tick the box and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. And then once that's been installed, we can now close out of this. For the next step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down, choose your language, and then click on download. And then once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to tick the box, I accept, and then click on next. We can untick this box, and then click on next. It's now going to start initializing. Wait for this to load. And now once this loads up, you want to click on next. And it's now going to start downloading components. Wait for this to load. And it's now going to start installing components. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, we can now click on finish. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.